make these bags? I can't get rid of them. I have no more space for these. I can't even recycle these. Why do they make these? There has to be a better way. Why is my life a mess?
Wake up.
What's happening? Wow. This whole kitchen is clean. This is amazing. There's no more plastic. But how am I gonna do my shopping?
Let me show you.
What? You just made a grocery cart appear out of thin air?
That's not even the magic part. These are Lotus Trolley Bags.
What are Lotus Trolley Bags?
Let me show you.
With Lotus Trolley Bags, your trip to the supermarket is a breeze. Lotus Trolley Bags are a set of 4 eco-friendly reusable bags designed to simplify and organize your shopping. First, use the Velcro handle to hang the bags from the back of the cart while you shop. Once you've emptied your cart at the checkout line, the bags slide effortlessly open, ready to be filled. Put your cold items in the large cooler bag to keep them at temperature. Pockets for egg cartons and wine bottles keep these fragile items secure while in transport. Next, separate the bags for the journey home. Each durable double-stitched bag holds over 50 pounds. At home, you can reattach the bags and store away for your next trip. Lotus Trolley Bags are reusable, washable, and all the poles are removable. Get yours today at lotustrolleybag.com and experience the difference.
Welcome to the future. Lotus Trolley Bags are everywhere.
This is amazing.
This is what it's about. Plastic-free grocery shopping.
Everybody has these?
Eco-friendly.
Look at these. Where do you even get these things from?
They're right here at your store.
Oh my God. Lotus Trolley Bag Fairy, will you marry me? I'm choking on plastic. Choking. Why? Honey, I just had the craziest dream. I have the solution to the plastic problem. I know what to do. Honey, wake up. Honey, wake up.
It's too early for this.
Honey, I have the solution.